Hi everyone! In today's video, creamy tomato soup. I am Paula Romero and I'm gonna share with you simple ways to cook good food. Obviously, when making tomato soup, fresh tomatoes are the best option, but canned tomatoes can also make excellent soups. And because tomatoes are the main ingredient in this recipe, look for organic or low sodium, low acid tomato brands. So let me show you the ingredients. Tomatoes, I'm using crushed tomatoes, olive oil, onions, garlic paste, a little bit of sugar, some lemon juice, salt and pepper, and bay leaves. Let's get started. So in a large pot, over medium heat, we're gonna add some olive oil and onions. And we're gonna cook the onions until they are translucent for about 5 minutes. Next, we're gonna add the garlic paste. And we're gonna cook the garlic until fragrant. About a minute. Now we come with the tomatoes. The lemon juice. Some sugar, a nice pinch of salt, and a little bit of black pepper. When making tomato soup, I prefer to use crushed tomatoes, so I don't have to puree them afterwards in the blender. Add the bay leaves. I'm gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes. And stick with me until the end of this video because I'm gonna show you 2 options to make it creamy. The soup is ready. Don't forget to pull out the bay leaves. 2 options to make it creamy. You can either add a bechamel sauce or yogurt. Now, sometimes you have some leftover bechamel sauce. That is the perfect time to use them to make a nice tomato soup, and they make very, very creamy soups. So I'm going to start with the yogurt first. For the yogurt, if using yogurt, you can put the soup on the bowl. And then to the bowl, you can add about 1/4 cup or so of Greek yogurt. Look at this. I love it. Very creamy and very light. You can add some basil leaves right on top. A little bit more. Maybe a drizzle of balsamic glaze. My favorite. If you're using the bechamel sauce, you can drop the sauce straight to the pot. Check the card for the recipe for bechamel sauce. this for a bit. This soup is so delicious. Go. Also some basil leaves on top and a drizzle of balsamic glaze if you want, or a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is it. Either with bechamel sauce or the yogurt, they're both delicious. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I see you next time. So good.